Most of us think of pumpkin as a flavoring for our coffee or pumpkin pie, where in reality, pumpkin can offer a great amount of vitamins and nutrients.
Dietitian Anya Guy says, as side dishes go, pumpkin may be a better pick than sweet potatoes.
1 cup of cubed pumpkin provides 30 calories and less than 1 gram of fat, whereas the same serving of sweet potato would offer triple the amount of calories.
Guy says pumpkin is a great source of fiber, iron, and potassium. It's also a versatile, healthy substitute for recipes.
It can be used instead of butter or oil in baking recipes. It could be cubed into soups or stews. You can even puree it into pancake mixtures. My personal favorite would be to use pureed pumpkin in my Greek yogurt for breakfast.
Guy says if you get your puree in a can, make sure it's nothing but pumpkin.
Look for 100% pure pumpkin puree without any added sugar. It's great.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jeff Olson.